Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I'm going to do something a little wild and crazy. I'm going to talk about nutrition, only because I was encouraged to just let it all out there. So before we get started, I would like to say the views and opinions of Tim do not necessarily represent the views and opinions of others. So we may have different opinions, and that's okay. So I just have, when it comes to nutrition, right now at this stage in my life, I just have a couple of guidelines that I think are useful to almost everybody. And that is that when it comes to food, when it comes to eating, if God made it, it's probably okay to eat. Now, there's always outliers and exceptions to the rules, right? So poison ivy, probably shouldn't eat that. But, and if you're allergic to strawberries and you know that, don't eat strawberries. Now, the other rule to that, or the other side to that rule for me, is that if man made it, or man used a lot of science to make it, or went into a laboratory, put a lot of chemicals in it, then maybe we shouldn't eat it. Maybe it's not good for us. So it's really, really very simple rules or guidelines. Again, if it's found in nature, as close as it is found in nature, it's probably good for us to eat, nutritious. And if man had to do a whole lot to it before it found its way to your house, if it was in plastic, in a box, in the middle of the store, if it has a long shelf life, then it's probably maybe not so good for you. So, that's the other thing, shelf life. The other kind of rule that follows along with that, if it's designed to spend a long time on the shelf in your grocery store, so if your food has a long shelf life, it probably takes away from your shelf life. That's my other kind of rule, which is really, or guideline, which is really just like the first one I said. So really that's it when it comes to nutrition with me. So should you do intermittent fasting? Should you do keto? Should you do paleo? Should you do, I don't know, name a diet, Atkins? Sure, or not. Everybody's different. We all have different needs. We all have different cultures. We all have different backgrounds and different activity levels. I think you should eat how you should eat. I just think your food should be relatively simple, though, and less tinkered with by man. So I know it's nothing earth-shattering there, but eating is not just, getting nutrients out of food is not just about eating. So let's talk about movement in eating. If you're not moving the way you're designed, or if you're not breathing the way you're designed to breathe, deep belly breaths with your diaphragm, you're probably not getting all the nutrition out of your food, even if you are eating clean or healthy or whatever you think is the optimal way. So breathing with your diaphragm alone helps you rest and digest. It puts your body into the parasympathetic nervous system. It helps you rest and digest. And most of the time, a lot of people just breathe up in their neck and their chest, and that's called the fight or flight mode, or the sympathetic nervous system. Fight or flight, though, means your body ain't got time to digest no food. Ain't got no time to digest food, because it's not concerned with that. It's in an emergency. It's fight or flight. So simply breathing in your belly the way you're designed can help you get better nutrition out of your food. And I know that's crazy, but your diaphragm actually, it does. It takes your nervous system down to the parasympathetic state so that you can rest better, sleep better, and digest food better, which means you're going to get better nutrition out of your food. But your diaphragm also moves your intestines, and it helps you process and move that food around in your body and get it out of your body more efficiently too. So something as simple as breathing can help optimize your nutrition efforts when it comes to eating. And then so can going for a walk and moving the way you were designed to move. All the stuff in our other videos, good movement, good nutrition, good you. Basically, so that's my rule. If there's a rule, good movement, good nutrition, good and happy, healthy you that feels good to feel good. All right? So that's my take on nutrition. I know it's nothing earth-shattering, and in different strokes for different folks. We all have our own different needs, but I do think if we eat well and we move well, we'll be well. So again, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. Hey, don't go just yet. If you care, could you give us a share? We're trying to grow our reach and expand our network. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.